How to fix your PC or laptop hanging problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If your PC is recently having a hanging or a different problem, not working properly, in this video we are going to show you exactly how to fix that issue. So without any delay, let's just get started with the video and fix the hanging problem on our PC or our computer. So for that, open up your device and you can locate up your keyboard, your physical keyboard if you want, and hit the shift and control shift plus ESC, and what that will do is open up your task manager. So you can go ahead and enter that, or you can also search it by going to the search bar and open it up in your device. Once it is opened up, you'll be finding this window on your screen. So under this, you'll be finding all of the programs that are running on your computer right now. So here it will be showing the CPU, the memory, the amount of things that is being consumed by those applications. So if you see any applications here that is consuming more of the power of your device, you can just go ahead and end the task of the devices that are consuming more CPU, more memory, as that may be the reason why your computer is having an hanging problem right now. So therefore, that is the method you can apply. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.